Alright guys, I'm going to do a surprise unboxing. A friend had some things sent here and I'm going to do an unboxing video for her. Excuse the gun. I was working on it and the postman rang, so I just left it there instead of putting it all up. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay. So we are working with a Nabler Guy today. Should be Francis, the Nabler Guy. Nice artwork on the box. A little rude, but wicked. Look, she's looking up his jacket. Little tie. So like I said, it's Francis, the Nabler Guy from ThreeA. All right, I'm gonna get into it carefully. All right, have a poster here. Says Marlin, but it's probably just mixed up the posters. This is Francis's R-rated poster. Looking at the artwork, you can definitely see why. But wicked artwork. Alright. Got a poster here. Came with also. If I can get it open here. Working with one hand. Alright. So it's the same artwork as on the box. Very nice artwork. Alright. Gonna put that off to the side here. We're gonna dive into the box. Call us Nabler Guys. Alright, so very cool artwork. Just some information about all the people. Not too much to get into. Alright, here we go. Nice packaging. It's packaged up really nice. So my friend had it sent over here. Alright, there he is. Francis. Alright. Gonna get in on his expression there. His jumpsuit. Looks really nice, distressed type of look. Nice shoes. It has Chuck Taylor type kicks on. Little trainers, as you guys might say. Very nice. And he has his his hose from his gas tank, his gas mask. It's fully articulated. Legs, you know, are really good for when you want to pose them. Arms, and even his fingers articulate up to even, you know, the top knuckle, which is really good. You know, you can do all kind of things with that. That one he's holding his fist. Alright. The fingers can be quite delicate, so just be careful. So that's pretty cool. Also comes with an extra body. Alright. There we go. Like I said, you can see the articulation more in this one since it's undressed. Very nicely made. Really good with the posing. Set that aside. Should have some extras in here. Wicked. We have his bat. And then here we have an extra head and expression. Oh, so we have an extra hand. That one's all clenched up in a fist. We have his other expression here. His hose. It's pretty cool. Alright. You have another head, and another hand. This hand is all crinkled. I think he has carpal tunnel syndrome, but the same, just like with the other ones, fully articulates. You can see a little bit better with this one. So I can carefully do it. Yep. So you can pose his fingers, make him hold things, do whatever he likes. Throw little signs up. It's cool. Alright. So we got Francis the Nabler Guy with his baseball bat and different expressions and body. We got, let's see here. Put his bat in his hand. Come on, Francis. Let's cause some trouble. If I can do this without messing anything up. With this one hand, it's a little bit difficult. There we go. Just grab it, Francis. Come on. Get down to business. Alright. So there we go. Francis is not a baseball player. He's a robot. That's why he isn't gripping it right. Alright. So we have his eye kind of moves a bit. We're trying to get it back around. Come on. There we go. There's Francis. He has the Charlie Brown or the Homer Simpson hairline expression. Here we are with this same eye, and is transitioning into a vampire expression. And yeah, Francis, his eyes rolled back. Let's get your eye. He's happy and drooling, probably because of his poster chick. And to prove that's what he's happy about, let's see what he's got going on in here. What's up, Francis? What you working with? Oh, buddy. Francis is a man. An excited man. And maybe that's why she's looking under there. Because that's what Francis the robot is working with. Alright, Francis. I ain't mad at you. Alright. Well, thanks for checking it out, guys. Subscribe, like it. This is a video from my friend. Like I said, she had it shipped here. Wanted to give her an unboxing of Francis the Nabler Guy. 3A figure. Awesome.